Okay, he went for the safety.
Nice.
Gardy missed a kick shot similar to this. But this time he makes it. Nicely done.
Where does this cue ball land?
Oh, watch out for the 7.
Where does it land?
Kung medium speed.
Gumagalaw ang I-9.
Oh, yeah, they tried it.
No
Very nice.
problem.
With
for the
full
Black Arrow.
conviction.
Tawede,
Tinampal niya.
kinakabahan. You kidding me?
Grabe talaga dun si Daniel Tawede. Sa pressure parang nakikita ko kay Daniel, parang hindi masyadong naapektuhan. Nice. Oh my! Sayang yun. Sayang yun.
Well,
ang ganda na sana ng habol ng Makati.
This is gonna put the Dragons on the hill.